how to create a outdoor and adventure gear store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Shopify.com is a platform that simplifies the process of creating your online store just by using the pre-created themes, and you can just make some changes to them, then you will have your store created. So here, in order to create an account in the platform, just type Shopify in your search and then click on the first link. Again, click on the first link as well, and then you will proceed to creating your account. So just click on start free trial, then enter your email, and you'll have your account created with 3 days free trial. And if you want to extend those 3 days, you can just click on select a plan, and you will be able to pay just $1 per month for the first 3 months. And this will be your dashboard after you create your account. Here in your left, you have everything that you will need in order to set your online store to be ready to use. So here we have the home, then we have the orders. This is where you can see all of your orders. You can see your total orders, the ordered items over time, the returns. Then we have the products. This is where you're going to create your new products. Just click on add products, or you can just click on import to import product pages from the other websites like CG Dropshipping, for example. And here we have the customers content, the analytics, and we have the online store. This is where you're going to start designing your store. So here, just give it a few seconds to load, and click on view your store to see how it looks like right now before we start changing it. So this is how our store looks like. This is the theme that we've installed, and its name is Refresh. The name of the theme is Refresh. By scrolling down, you will be able to see a lot of themes, and here click on explore more themes to visit the theme store, and you can choose the theme that fits your niche more. So here we want to create an outdoor and adventure gear store. So here we have a lot of themes. Most of them are paid, but we have 12 free themes. Let's check them. So here, by scrolling down, you'll be able to see the free themes. So here we have studio, taste, craft, and we're trying to create an outdoor and adventure gear store. So I think this one will match what we're looking for. Let's check it, origin. Let's see how it looks like. So here you can choose any theme, and you can make it or change it the way you'd like. So here, let's click on view demo store to see how it looks like. So here it's about unfold bag. It's a one product store. I think it's a one product store. No, it's more products. It's not a one product store, but I think this one will fit our requirement. Click on try theme to install it on your theme library. So here it's been added to our online store themes. Give it a few seconds to load. Let's close the first window. Close this one. Give it a few seconds to complete loading. Then we'll be able to start changing the theme. So here, refresh is still our current theme. Scroll down and wait for our new theme to be loaded. Then we will click on publish to make it our current theme. So here, let's give it a few seconds to be loaded. And click on publish. Click on publish again, and here it's now our current theme. You click on customize, and wait for it to complete loading. So here guys, in the platform you can change everything you'd like about your theme just by clicking on whatever you'd like to change. So for example, if you wanted to change the announcement bar, just click on it and here you will be able to change everything about it. So first let's turn on the auto rotate announcements option and let's leave it at 5 seconds. Then let's go back and let's change what's written inside. Let's go with 50% off today only, and let's go back. Let's add another announcement to rotate between them two every 5 seconds. So here let's go with free shipping worldwide, like that. And then let's go back, and here you will notice that it's going to rotate between these two announcements every 5 seconds. So after the announcement bar, let's proceed and let's change the header. So here click on the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position, but this announcement bar is not rotating. Let's check why. Something is not working. So here it's rotating, but so now it's rotating. So let's go to the header. Here you can change the desktop logo position. It's now in the top center. We can make it to the middle left, and we will save some extra space. And here the desktop menu type is a drop down. Let's make it a mega menu, like that. And let's go to the theme settings to install our logo. Just click on logo here and then click on select image to select the logo that you've already created. And if you haven't created one, you can just go to canva.com and create your own custom logo, then drop it in here. So guys, after you're done with making all of the changes, just make sure to click on save to save your changes. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.